to ear right now. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I actually just did a video with the Too Faced Chocolate Chip Palette and the Better Than Sex mascara that I ordered, and I had explained that I found it on HSN, and that there were two other palettes that I was eyeing. Well, literally 10 minutes after I made the video, there was a knock at the door, and it was FedEx, and I got a package. Oh my gosh! My lovely husband knew that this was one of the ones I really wanted, and he ordered it for me. So I am so excited. This, you guys, is the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice. It's actually a collection, so I'm going to share with you guys this. But I am just over the moon right now. Like, I'm like, oh my gosh. So I now only want one more. But yes, this is absolutely beautiful, and I cannot wait to show you guys. So let's get into it. So when we open it, this is what it looks like. And there is another full-size Better Than Sex mascara in here. Let's see if we can get this stuff out. Okay. So we have another full size of the Better Than Sex mascara. And then this is really pretty. I actually wish I did not have any lipstick on. This is the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice Ultra Plush Lip Gloss. Obviously in the color Pumpkin Spice. I want to see if it smells like pumpkin spice. Oh, it does. I'm trying to get it without the glare, but I'll do a little swatch because I want to see. But oh, it smells so good. Oh. Oh my goodness. That color is so gorgeous. Oh. Oh, I just can't. Are you kidding me right now? And it's like, it's got a little bit of shimmer. I don't know if it's really going to show up because of the shine from the gloss, but there are little sparkles in it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So now to the, I'm getting my hair out of my face. I'm just like, oh my god, I'm so excited. To the fun stuff. Okay. This I thought was cute. This is a little brush, eyeshadow brush, says Too Faced, and it's pink with little stars all over it, so that's cute. And now for the palette, and I think this is so cute. It's pumpkin, it's a pumpkin, and then like little cinnamon bundles. It's just adorable, and I love it. Let's open it. I feel like a kid at Christmas. Faintly smell the pumpkin spice scent, but you guys, these colors, oh my goodness. Are these not beautiful? So beautiful. And I love how a few of them are like super like glittery and shimmery. And we have the names, love this, Love You a Latte, Pumpkin Spice, Something Sweet, Blushing Pumpkins, Oh My Gourd, Golden Pumpkin, Lovin' Pumpkins, Fall and Fudge, Sweater Weather, Cream Cloud, Pretty as a Pumpkin, Praline, Sugar and Spice, Spiced Coffee, Pumpkin Butter, and Cinnamon Stick. Oh, no. I got a little bit of the Golden Pumpkin on my finger. Oh, and it's like super, super sparkly. Okay. Try it again. I went in order this way with all of the names. But y'all, is it not absolutely gorgeous? Ah! So, the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette with a beautiful little Too Faced brush, a full-size Better Than Sex mascara, and this beautiful pumpkin spice Too Faced lip gloss. Ah, y'all, I'm just, yay! It's like Christmas. And in fact, the other palette that I want is actually like a Christmas tree. It's so cute. But yeah, yay! I'm so excited. I know, I'm a goofball right now, but I seriously am in love with this palette. So again, if you guys are looking for a great fall palette, I highly, highly recommend this one because it is gorgeous. And then you get the amazing lip gloss, the mascara, a brush, great deal. So you might want to check it out. This was also on HSN, so apparently he snuck in and somehow ordered. And I may be wrong, but I don't know if it's the set or the palette itself that you can only get on HSN. I'm not sure, like I said, if it's the whole set or just, you know, the palette itself is only available there. But I love it. So I just wanted to share and let you guys know because I had actually not seen this palette anywhere prior to finding it on HSN. So if you didn't know about it, now you do. And I hope you guys have an absolutely amazing day. Again, thank you so much for being here and supporting the channel. It means so much to me. And if you are new, please do go ahead and hit subscribe. Tons of unboxings, reviews, sharing, and haul videos. So again, I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.